Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss pound yen and pound dollar because UK market has been opened and let's see if we can find some good trading opportunities so I can trade them and I can share all of those setups with you as well. So if you want to practice and if you want to understand the Fibonacci strategy, the one that I'm using since 2016, then I think you should watch this video and I'm sure you will not only learn some new concepts, but you will also understand where you are repeating your mistakes, right? Because when markets gives these bullish and bearish moves and ranges, usually there we make a lot of mistakes predicting the market in a very wrong way. So let's see pound Japanese, and as you can see I am on the weekly. Today is the first today is the last working day of the month January 2023. So let's see, 31st January today it is, and let's see if I can discuss Aussie dollar, US dollar, but let's see if I have time because I don't want to uh, drag this episode beyond 22-23 minutes so that I also give you information and I also share my setups with you and I also talk about the structures. Monthly, it took a very nice rejection from 155.63. The candle is bullish at the moment, so no doubt on monthly time frame, it is at least trying to reverse and like this monthly candle is predicting or it is pretending as if it belongs to this candle. Again, the cable for this tablet has not yet arrived, so after that my work will be so much easy. Sorry. So monthly is no doubt bullish, and weekly, if we see, well, I think weekly will need a separate plan. Too much of this stuff I have discussed uh, in my videos, so let's just clean the chart. Now I have a very clean chart and I can do whatever I want to do because this is one way or one reason behind these videos is as well. I want to show you the technique and the method that I use to analyze the market and find trade opportunities for myself. So monthly it's high and weekly we have low volume candles right here, right? And obviously this weekly candle suggests a bullish move. So it's okay. The support is not broken. I totally understood the story on pound yen. Let's have a look at it. Let's delete these lines for now as well. See, the market is going up, right? With a very nice margin on the weekly, if you see. Almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, so 1.5 month or 45 days approximately. It fell down, okay, and it took a support right here. So one thing, yes, one thing for sure is it is ranging in between these two levels, right? Nice support. Let me delete this one. A very nice support right here. But still, to me, it is sort of complicated. Like I'm finding out what can be the best tradable opportunity, the safest one, the one that I can take and I can make profits from. So that's why I'm going into much detail. Don't get bored, just understand the method. So okay, this is very nice, a bullish move. It has a 61.8% retracement. Whenever we see a bullish move, obviously I have to pick Fibonacci and draw it because there is no other chance I have. Here is the 61.8% retracement. 157. So I assume that this is a false breakout and the move is exactly from the and even this candle confirms that as well with low volume and still seems like it's going to go further up, right? This is like the long story, a bird's eye view. Now the daily, let's see. Too much mess I have created on the weekly time frame, but anyways, so from the weekly what I know is that it's strongly in buy, but currently it is like like very low volume. It is traded with a very low volume at the moment. So it means that on the lower time frames we can find some good tradable opportunities, and the safest one to the sell side obviously. So then I switch to the daily. On the daily what I see is a very nice, decent and beautiful retest of the structure. Here it is. Let me change the color of it because it seems very nice. Very nice, right? Let me now delete this Fibonacci and let's have a look at this one. No doubt a very nice and perfect resistance level retest and is currently trying to go down. Let me count the total range. The total range I have is 644 pips. Good. And it's coming down 644 pips. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and find out. Here we go. Here is the actual setup and I get two types of trade setups right here, even three or maybe four, right? Maybe four. Let me explain that to you as well. A straightaway sell from here and a take profit of right here. Let me draw it actually. This one, then a straight down move towards 61.8. Let me highlight this area. So the green one you see, this is a plan for a bit short term, remember. Now it's coming down and the stop loss will be around 180 pips, right? And the potential take profit can be 244 pips. And even let's say if I put this 180 stop loss, who says I'm going to let that stop loss hit? No, I'm not going to do that. Who knows if the next candle closes bullish right here and give me a sort of that, hey, okay, we are going to take the market back up. I will leave the market early by reading the candlestick and its algorithm and the way it is formed. So a very nice and decent trade setup. Now it's up to you how you trade it, right? I'm not telling anyone to trade it, but open a demo account and on a practice account, just trade it, and I'm sure you will love it. This is so I said it's for trading opportunities. So 158 a buy. Let me add an arrow and you, I also don't um right? So I also don't take blind entries. So I have a special method for that on the lower time frames, which obviously if I try to explain now, it will take months to explain. So yes, it's fine, a very nice sell trade. And from here, what I can assume is it will be giving me a buy opportunity, but let's see from that one how much I get. This is now the actual plan with me, and even from there I can again look for some sell opportunities. But let's see, this whole plan is pointing towards 164.36. So what I have discussed is the weekly time frame. I started with that. I started with the monthly. It is, and sort of the thing that I did is sort of like a breakdown of the whole market and find out which way the market is going first. So this is the forecast. Let's see. I hope it makes lots and lots of profits for most of the traders. This is the pound yen, and today I discussed it in detail because I will be referring to this video from the future videos as well, because in the future videos about pound yen I'm not going to discuss things in this much detail. Now in last night forecast video I discussed pound dollar, and I now exactly don't remember. I promised to discuss it and find out something. Yes, I think it was, yes, I'm sure this is a sell trade, and I discussed it as well, so make sure same situation on the pound dollar as well. The situation that I just discussed on the yen, pound yen, that same structure is going to form on pound dollar. But what I'm looking for now is like the market image is now clear to me. It is clearly showing me that hey Aftab, take a risk of around, sorry, 145, around 150 pips of risk, and target for 252 pips. So what I'm going to do is, since this is my demo account, like the real account, but I assume it is a demo account. So at the moment I have opened this trade. Let's see how it turns out to be, because there are obviously a lot of other levels. So this is the pound dollar. I hope there should be no big problem. And obviously from here, even if you don't want to take this sell trade from this 61, I will be looking for buy opportunities. Now the main question arises, and that is, if I can trade a pound dollar, if pound dollar and pound Japanese these days moves the same way, then which one to trade? Stay with me on the channel. I will make a separate video on this particular topic, and I'm sure by watching that, it will be kind of an eye-opening video. You will understand that at a particular time on these different instruments and in different markets, it will be giving you good opportunities, but then you have to choose which one you want to avail. So here comes in like taking business decisions, which obviously I will be making some videos about it later. um, in the upcoming videos, maybe in March, I will run a complete 15 days or 15 videos of session on choosing the markets and choosing and finding the best portfolio for yourself, finding the best instrument pairs that works the best for you. So that was the forecast, the early UK session, and I hope you make lots and lots of profit. If you have any questions, I'm your friend Aftab right here. You can just reach me on WhatsApp. You will find the number in the description, and it will be a very, very good communication. Soon, I'm going to start, maybe it will be a WhatsApp group or it can be a Telegram group, it can be a Discord, it can be a Facebook group. So I need more of you who will help me manage these groups as well. Plus, I will need some more friends and people who will be working with me on the same strategy, and it will be a very, very nice two-way communication together. So we will be making profits together as well, and you will be learning all of the premium stuff that I used to share with my premium clients. I use it like I share it with my clients right now as well, but I also am planning to take you, all of you, with me, because since 2016 you are with me, and throughout this whole journey, this channel meant a lot to me. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.